You have probably seen this happen 100 of times, where a new DeFi project launches and promises to reward its users, but at the end of the day, real users get nothing. That has been the story for most incentive programs in DeFi. Now, this is something Brevis is solving with Incentra. Incentra is like the missing layer between protocols and their communities. It is built by Brevis to help protocols create, manage, and automate reward campaigns. And of course, it runs on the same ZK data coprocessor that allows smart contracts look into the past, verify on-chain data across different chains, and use that verified data to make decisions, all without depending on a centralized source. So instead of manually tracking who did what, Incentra allows protocols to simply define their reward logic and let zero-knowledge proofs handle the rest. What makes Incentra different is not just that it distributes rewards, but that it gives full control, flexibility, and verifiability to the process. Protocols can now set up any kind of incentive models that they want, whether it is rewarding users for holding tokens, providing liquidity, or participating in lending and borrowing. They can even control who have assets by whitelisting or blacklisting certain addresses, which helps reduces reward farming and other abuses. Even the distribution follows a structured rhythm through something called epochs, where Incentra processes data at the end of each cycle and makes reward available for claiming. For users, it is actually very simple. You just need to visit the Incentra portal, connect your wallet, and choose from the available campaigns. Each campaign has its own rule. It could be a lending or borrowing reward, a liquidity providing reward, or something like token holding reward. A perfect example of how Incentra works in real time is the KoalaSwap reward campaign. KoalaSwap is currently running a Brevis Incentra powered program where it allocated 2% of its total Rev Koala supply. That's about 2 million tokens of Rev Koala to liquidity providers across 5 pools on Unit 0 for a 60-day period. Here is how Incentra fits in. It takes care of all the complicated work that would require multiple scripts, spreadsheets, or manual calculations. Then it tracks every single swap that happens, calculates how much liquidity each provider added, measures how much fee each LP generated, and then determines the exact share of rewards each participant deserves. So if you're a protocol and you want to launch a similar campaign, Incentra interface handles most standard reward structures. You can click on the link somewhere in this post to apply to whitelist your campaign. And if you're a user who is looking to participate on any base Incentra program to earn rewards, you can click the link somewhere in this post to get started.